In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Mailerlite email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a polished campaign that's ready to send to your audience. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're in, look over to the sidebar and find the section labeled Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns will live. Click into that and then look for the button that says Create Campaign. Go ahead and click it to start a brand new campaign. This opens up the basic setup flow that we'll walk through together. Next, let's design your email. Mailerlite will ask you what type of campaign you're creating. You can choose a regular campaign, an A/B split test if you want to compare two versions, or an RSS campaign that pulls content from a feed. For a straightforward newsletter or promotion, regular is usually the best option. After that, choose the editor you want to work with. The drag and drop editor is the most beginner-friendly because you can literally drag in content blocks like text, images, buttons, and social media icons, and then customize each one. If you prefer a simpler text-focused layout, choose the rich text editor. And if you or your team work with code, you can go with custom HTML for full control. Inside the drag and drop editor, start building your layout. Add headlines, body text, and images. Drop in a clear call-to-action button that links to your website, product page, or sign-up form. You can also use existing templates or create your own custom template to reuse later. Take your time here to add your actual email copy and adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so everything matches your brand. Now, set up your campaign details. Add an internal campaign name so you can recognize this campaign later in your dashboard. Then, type in the subject line that your subscribers will see in their inbox. Add your sender name and email address so people know who the email is from, and write a short pre-header text, which appears as a preview next to the subject line. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments you want to send this campaign to. Before you send anything, always preview and test. Use the preview and test option and send a test email to yourself. Open it on both desktop and mobile if you can, and check that links work, images load correctly, and the text is easy to read. When you're happy with everything, click Done Editing. You'll see a final review screen where you can confirm all your details. From here, you can either send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Mailerlite also lets you use time zone-based sending, so subscribers receive the email at an appropriate local time. And that's the full process of setting up a Mailerlite email campaign from start to finish.